Replace My Sink specializes in replacing your old kitchen sink with a new sink of your dreams without damaging or replacing your kitchen countertop. We have developed a unique process which combines contractor, plumber, and countertop fabricator.
Our process begins with setting up our proprietary yak dust room. This contains the dust created from cutting and polishing your countertop, keeping your home dust-free. We take the time to cover your cabinets, walls, and floors and put runners in traffic areas. Next, our highly skilled installers cut, bevel, and polish your countertop using the highest quality fabricating tools and materials to match the finish of your existing countertop. Then comes a time to set the sink with the highest quality mold and mildew resistant sealant. We then secure the sink with specialized metal straps. After the sink is installed, we reinstall your disposal and drain flange, refabricate the plumbing, and install the faucet and any other accessories you have. We pressure test your system to make sure there are no leaks and it's functioning at its highest capacity. Lastly, we do a thorough cleanup for your final inspection. Remember, if you don't love your sink, replace it. Contact us today for a free half-hour in-home estimate.